Connecting minds, creating the future. This is the main theme of the Universal Exhibition in Dubai. 25 million visitors, 193 participating countries, over 200 languages and cultures that speak and negotiate with one another on an area of 5 square kilometers built in the middle of the desert. More importantly, Dubai 2021 is the first universal exhibition in history that will take place in a country set in the Arabian Peninsula, the United Arab Emirates. 1851, London, 1855, Paris, and moving fast forward, Vienna, Chicago, again Milan 1906, all the way up to Dubai 2021. Universal exhibitions have always been an exceptional time to show the world the hosting and participating countries' resources, assert their strength on the geopolitical chessboard, and to wave international relations. Italy brings its diplomatic capacity to Dubai and the will to dialogue with the peoples of the world, and, above all, Italy brings the excellence of its technology and the ability to develop tailor-made projects. So, let's go and see one of these great Italian companies.
Since 1952, Duplomatic has focused on solutions of excellence. In the years of the Italian economic expansion, our hydraulic solutions for machine tools have made an important contribution to the industrial automation. Many years have passed, and now the company has grown into a global group. We work in many countries, but the spirit has always remained the same. That is, always aiming for excellence, not only in solutions, but also in people.
Diplomatic customer care brings the excellence of the Made in Italy all over the world, and this is a feature much appreciated and sought after by our customers. Our activities involve different departments and are aimed at improving the customer experience.
Our everyday challenges are based on a quick understanding of the customer's requirements, knowledge and efficiency in supporting them, professionalism and availability in order to best meet their needs.
Duplomatic è un'organizzazione globale di tecnologia e ingegneria.
Duplomatic is a global technology and engineering organization that develops and manufactures components and solutions for motion control. Inside these solutions, we use different technologies, from hydraulics to mechatronics and electromechanics. Our products and solutions are aimed at multiple industrial and mobile sectors. They include global industries, large manufacturers of operating machines, especially with strong personalization needs, system integrators, and distributors.
Anche con forti esigenze di personalizzazione, i system integrator e i distributori.
Calatrava designed the wings of a Desert Falcon for the United Arab Emirates Pavilion at EXPO Dubai. We, at Duplomatic, are committed to letting this falcon open its wings.
We are in the Hydraulic Systems business unit of Linate, where hydraulic applications and systems are specifically developed upon the client's requests. The site hosts a qualified team of experts with the support of a technical department, purchasing and production planning, all the way to assembly, testing, and painting of our systems. All our projects are based on a tailor-made philosophy because they are all different from each other and according to our client's specifications. We develop solutions for multiple application sectors, in particular the industrial sector, energy, offshore, oil and gas, and the steel industry.
Duplomatic, qualche anno fa,
Duplomatic, a few years ago, changed its company name to Duplomatic Motion Solutions. And this, combined with the paradigms and trends in digitalization and Industry 4.0, is leading the group more and more towards the development of mechatronic solutions for motion control.
Per il controllo di movimento.
The group offers components, systems, and solutions for companies operating in multiple areas, such as test benches, marine, railway, oil and gas, energy, lubrication, industrial machinery, and turnkey projects.
Industriali e chiavi in mano.
Con l'acquisizione di Idreco,
Thanks to the acquisition of Hydraco, we've completed our skills and are now able to create a complete system, starting from the pumps, valves, cylinders, and man-machine interface for earth-moving machines, agricultural machines, and lifting machines.
Ci troviamo nella location di Duplomatic.
We are in the Duplomatic Motion Solutions location in Lainate, a location where Duplomatic manufactures the power units and manifolds dedicated to the hydraulic sector. In addition to having the production plant, we have the engineering department, the technical offices where we carry out the drawings and the design of these units that you can see around me.
In questa divisione.
Now, this is what I call the all-Italian ability to create large, bespoke projects.
The Duplomatic Hydraulic Systems business unit is now entering a new, more complete and structured dimension, ready to meet the new challenges of the future. I'm convinced that getting together highlights our precise will to become an organization of excellence in the design and implementation of complex systems for industrial automation and motion control. Duplomatic's Hydraulic Systems Business Unit is a leading company in the design and implementation of custom projects for multiple application sectors, from industrial to energy, from the steel sector to offshore and oil and gas applications. We are one of the main Italian players in the design and construction of custom-made plants, featuring 2 production sites, one in Linate, Milan, of 3,200 square meters, and one in Padua, of 2,500 square meters, with a total working force of 65 people, including engineers, designers, application technicians, and qualified technicians for after-sales assistance and commissioning. But there's more. We're one of the few companies in Italy that produces components internally, thus valves and pumps under the Duplomatic brand.
In the Padua plant of the Duplomatic Hydraulic Systems Business Unit, we have been manufacturing extremely complex systems for over 35 years, requiring the design of hydraulic, mechanical, and pneumatic details, as well as, in particular projects, the design of the software. These skills, combined with those in the plant based near Milan, allow Duplomatic to tackle all possible requests from our customers. Duplomatic has today become one of the major Italian players in terms of plant engineering. Here we can see one of these advanced systems. It is a manifold of considerable size used in offshore applications. The manifold was built specifically for this function, and Duplomatic designed even the single components, which need very particular specifications to fulfill the customer's requirements. Specifically, we have here all explosion-proof valves, of which some models have been distinctly designed for functions that do not normally exist in the catalog.
Our products are essentially hydraulic power units of an extremely varied range. We move from large power plants for the offshore or drilling sector to small power plants highly optimized and efficient for the industrial sector. Valve banks, hydraulic motion systems, in some cases with the contribution of prototype solutions that use specifically developed valves, for example, for subsea applications. In addition, we offer a number of services. It's not just a matter of offering the control units and valve banks, but also everything that surrounds the product. We're talking about engineering, order management, and a certain structured approach to the project development. The most advanced products we offer are the turnkey projects. An example is the system we built for EXPO 2020 Dubai. This is the culmination of our customer service approach, because it's not just a matter of providing a system, but it's a matter of providing a solution as a whole. In this case, we started with the engineering phase, which means studying the project with the architect, shipping the equipment, installation of the system, commissioning, and now we're in the maintenance phase. This is the way we support our customer in the operational phase, and this is the top service that Duplomatic offers to customers.
At Duplomatic, we believe in excellence and constant technology innovation. We started 70 years ago with hydraulics components, broadening our skills to become a 360-degree motion solutions provider. We have created a mechatronics business unit in which we develop motion systems for industrial automation, customized to the specific needs of our clients. We design electronics and firmware, and we are also the only IO-Link competence center in Italy. Thanks to our skills and capabilities, we are able to offer linear motion solutions fitting Industry 4.0 requirements. Electric cylinders could require a tenth of the energy compared to pneumatics, ensuring relevant savings over their lifetime. Working cycles and maintenance downtimes can also be significantly reduced. Versatility and smart control allow quick machine setups, enabling applications with multiple positioning and constant thrust control. All of our products are suitable for production areas where high hygiene and cleanliness standards are required, such as food and pharma. Machines are thus simplified. Air or oil pipes replaced by individual electrical cables. Valves and air treatment systems removed.
ECL3 and ECS3 series are ISO 15552 compliant, ranging from size 32 to 125 and reaching a maximum working force of 120 kN. Motion and load transmission is made possible by ball screws, and the screw size differentiates the two series. A wide range of screw pitches allows linear speeds up to 1 meter per second. Cylinders can mount in line or parallel motor kits as well as gearboxes, either supplied by Duplomatic or by the customers.
The deployment of electric servo presses in the field of industrial automation is nowadays a well-established trend. As a response to this trend, Duplomatic introduces the ECF series, mounting integrated load cells, and the ECP series, designed for heavy-duty applications. ECF electric cylinders mount an integrated load cell inside the ISO-compliant aluminum body, resulting in a performing and price-competitive solution. ECP electric cylinders, on the other hand, are designed for heavy-duty applications, mounting ground roller screws inside an entirely steel-made body. The ECP series can be used in applications with working loads up to 20 to 25 tons, ensuring a long life expectancy of the mechanics and 100% duty cycle. Duplomatic also supplies brushless motors and field bus drives. Those can be mounted both on ISO-compliant electric cylinders and on the new series of linear units with screw and belt transmissions. As a consequence, we can provide solutions to any requirement regarding loads, speeds, and overall dimensions.
The Mechatronics PU product range is devoted to efficiency and performance in order to exceed the limits of pneumatics and hydraulics. Be green, be electric.
Since 2019, Hydrico's brand and the group in general has been considerably strengthened through joining the Duplomatic group, and this is due to the amount of resources that we now have available to the group. Hydrico now has access to a much wider product portfolio. We also have access to leading manufacturing sites across the globe, both in EMEA, Americas and Asia Pacific, strengthening our global footprint. Finally, one of the best traits of Duplomatic is the resource available for R&D. Research and development for technology leadership is now available to Hydrico for all mobile products.
The acquisition of Hydrico represents for the Duplomatic Group a very important step in our market growth strategy, as the Hydrico brand represents our expansion in the mobile and agricultural sector. In Hydreco, we use technology and innovation to create products intended for our customers. Here in Vignola, in the province of Modena, Italy in particular, we produce a wide range of hydraulic and electric joysticks, customized according to the requests of our customers. We are in the heart of the Emilian Mechatronics district, and our people are highly specialized in creating solutions that integrate mechanics, hydraulics, and electronics. Hydreco Hydraulics Italy, founded in 1977, with its business units of Vignola and Parma in the Emilia-Romagna region, and with its 45 years of history, is the competence center for the entire Hydreco group for joysticks, remote controls, and gear pumps. The target of Hydreco Hydraulics Italy is represented by the manufacturers of mobile operating machines for sectors such as agriculture, earth-moving, construction, and municipality. Our company provides a package of complete solutions for motion control.
Hydreco is a global company. Our multicultural team operates in all the industrialized areas of the world, from Europe to Asia, from America to Australia.